Probability means chance. Okay, getting chance model. Okay, probability means getting chances. Okay, getting suppose a coin is tossed. Suppose a fair coin is tossed. For example, fair coin is tossed. Okay, what is the probability that getting head? Okay, a fair coin is tossed. What is the probability that getting a head? Suppose, for example, a fair coin is tossed means how many chances total chances two, that is head or tail. A coin is tossed means total chances is okay head or tail. What is the probability that getting a head is only one chance, 1 out of 2, that is 1 by 2. Okay, getting the probability that what is the probability that getting a head? The probability that getting a head is 1 out of 2. Okay, 1 by 2. Suppose true or false type questions. Okay, true or false type questions. Here how many chances? 2 chances. Total chances 2. Suppose what is the probability that getting true? True means 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2, that is 1 by 2. Okay, suppose okay any suppose MSET exam or OMR sheet type model, 4 options there. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 options, multiple choice, A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3, 4 choice. Okay, 4 chances. Suppose okay, what is the probability that getting successful chances? Suppose okay, you take question number answer 3. Okay, one total chances 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 chances. 1 out of 4 successful chances, that is 1 by 4. Failure chances is 3 by 4. Okay, successful chances plus failure chances equals to 1. Okay, sum of the probability is equals to 1. Okay, that means getting the probability of getting a head is 1 by 2. The probability of getting a tail is also not head means getting a tail, that is also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equals to 1. Sum of the probability is equals to 1. So true or false type questions. Okay, total chances how many? 2. Okay, true or false, 2 chances. Suppose the probability of getting true means 1 chance, 1 out of okay favorable chance is 1. Okay, 1 out of 2. Suppose multiple choice questions, 4 questions there. Suppose you take third bit. Okay, A, B, C, D, 4 options. In 4 options you take C option. Okay, suppose successful chances is suppose C is the correct, that is 1 out of 4 successful chances. Failure chances, okay, remaining option A wrong, option B wrong, option D wrong. Okay, 3 out of 4, that is 3 by 4. Getting, not getting. Okay, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 equals to 1. Okay, probability definition is favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Okay, total number of outcomes. Okay, this is probability definition. But suppose in this 10th class coin. Okay, coin, one question, and next dice bit, next playing cards. Okay, next one boxes. Okay, or bag questions, and spinner wheel. Okay, these type questions are there, very important. Okay, coin questions. Okay, Coin means suppose total outcome result is coin is 2 to the power of n. Suppose one coin is tossed. Total number of outcomes is that is the sample space. Total number of outcomes means that is the sample space. Okay, dice means 6 to the power of n formula. Okay, playing cards. Total playing cards is 52 playing cards. Boxes, bag means depend on red balls, black balls, white balls like that. Spinner wheel. Spinner wheel suppose 8 given, 8 chances given. Okay, total outcome results. Okay, depend on spinner wheel. Coin. Okay, 2 to the power of n formula. Okay, now question frame. A coin is tossed. A coin is tossed. What is the probability that? What is the probability that getting a head like this question? Okay, first a coin is tossed. A coin is tossed. Okay, total outcome results first. Total outcome results. Total outcomes equals to how many? 2 to the power of n formula. 2 to the power of one coin. A coin. Okay, 2 to the power of 1, that is 2. Total outcomes. Okay, now number of favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes means given question. What is that question? Getting a head. Okay, two chances. What is the two chances? Total outcomes, two chances is head comma tail only. Head comma tail. Okay, now number of favorable outcomes is only head, one chance, that is h. Then probability equals to 1 out of 2. Denominator is okay more than the numerator. Okay, that is probability equals to 1 by 2. Okay, so getting a tail means total number of probability equals to okay probability of head or next probability of next question tail. Okay, probability of tail equals to here total number of favorable outcomes, that is tail. What is how many tails are there in the two? One tail. Okay, 1 out of 2. Okay, suppose two coins are tossed. Okay, now two coins are tossed. One more question. Two coins are tossed. Then the formula is 2 to the power of n. Okay, 2 to the power of n. Here two coins are tossed. One more method. This is easy method, higher education also same. Okay, total outcome results means that is sample space. Okay, total outcome results means that is the sample space. Okay, now 2 to the power of n means here two coins are tossed, that is 2 square. 2 square means 4. Okay, what is that? Head. Two coins are tossed. For example, two coins are tossed. First coin is head, second coin is also head. Next, first coin is head, second coin is tail. Okay, first coin is tail, second coin is head, or both tails. How many chances? 1, 2, 3, 4 chances. Okay, that is h, one chance. Okay, two coins are tossed, that is two heads. Otherwise, first coin is head, second coin is tail. Okay, otherwise, another one. First coin is tail, second coin is head, or both tails. H, HD, TH and TT. This is the total outcome results. Total outcome results, that is the sample space. Okay, now n of s, cardinal number of s equals to how many chances? 4 chances. And now what is the question? What is the probability that getting two heads? Question is, what is the probability that getting two heads? Let E be the event of let E be the event of getting two heads. What is the two heads? Okay, E equals to in these two heads is this one H H. N of E equals to how much? 1. Okay, therefore probability of E equals to N of E by N of S, that equals to 1 by 4. Okay, 1 out of 4, total 4 chances, simply total 4 chances. In these 4, 2 heads is 1 chance, 1 out of 4. Okay, 1 out of 4 means 1 by 4. Okay, probability is always less than 1, 0, and probabilities lie in between 0 and 1. Okay, not negative number, not more than 1. Okay, 0 and 1 only. Okay, next, suppose two coins are tossed. What is the probability that getting two tails? For example, two tails means two coins are tossed, sample space. Okay, write 4, n space equals to 4. Let E be the event of getting two tails. Two tails means write this one only, TT. Okay, n of E equals to 1. Therefore, P of E equals to n of E by n of S, 1 out of 4. Suppose, one more question, two coins are tossed. What is the probability that getting at least one head? Suppose, okay, one more question, at least one head. At least one head means by 4 common. Okay, this is total chances common. 4, at least one head means in these 4, H value is, how many H's are there? 1. At least 1 means 1 and more than 1. 1, 2, 3 chances. 3 out of 4, that is 3 by 4. Okay, at least one head means. Okay, suppose at least one tail. At least one tail means actually 4 chances. At least one tail means 1, 2, 3. Okay, that is 3 out of 4. Suppose only tail. Tail means 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, single tail, 1, 2, 2 out of 4, like that. This is coin questions. Okay, suppose 3 coins are tossed. Okay, for example, 2 coins over, 3 coins are tossed. Okay, 3 coins means 2 power 3, and that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. What is the probability that getting 3 heads? Okay, right, step by step, listen. 3 coins are tossed. 3 coins are tossed randomly. Okay, now sample space equals to how many chances? 8 chances. What are these 8 chances? Listen, head, head, head. 3 coins. Next, listen, 4 heads, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 heads, 4 tails. Simple trick. Okay. Next one, 2 heads, 2 tails. 2 heads, 2 tails. 1 head, 1 tail. 1 head, 1 tail. 1 head, 1 tail. 1 head, 1 tail. Okay, this is first chance, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. These are 8 chances. Okay, what are the 8 chances? First, 3 heads. First one. Okay. Second one, head, head, tail. Second chance. And the first coin head, second coin head, third coin is tail. Next, first H, T, H. Next, H, T, T. Next, T, H, H. Next, T, H, T. Next, T, T, H. Triple T. These are 8 chances. Okay, suppose, okay, select 3 coins. Okay, 3 coins selected, and okay, 3 coins are tossed. For example, in these 8 chances, anyone will come. Okay, suppose head, 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 first chance. Suppose head, tail, head, See, head, tail, head. Otherwise, 3 tails. Total chances. Okay, suppose 3 coins are tossed. Okay, total chances, that is the sample space, equals to 8 chances. Formula is 2 to the power of n formula. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Now, what is that question? What is the probability that getting 3 heads? Okay, let E be the event of getting, okay, 3 heads. Okay, here n of s equals to total chances 8. E equals to 3 heads is only one chance. H. N of E equals to 1. Now probability of E equals to N of E by N of S, that equals to 1 out of 8. 1 out of 8 chances. Suppose same question change. 3 coins are tossed. 3 coins are tossed means sample space n of s, denominator is 8 is the common. 8 is the common. Numerator different. Okay, depend on question. What is the probability that getting 3 tails? 3 tails means only one chance. 1 out of 8. 8 is common. Okay. Suppose what is the probability that getting at least 2 heads? At least 2 heads means 2 and more than 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 chances. 4 out of 8. At least one tail. Suppose at least one tail means, okay, at least a t one or more than one time tail. 1, okay, t there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 out of 8. 7 by 8. At least one head, for example. At least one head means 1. H compulsory. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 8. At least one head. This is coin questions. Okay, next. Okay, this is 6 to the power of n, because die means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers there. Dice. Okay, but coin is only head, tail, 2 numbers, that is 2 to the power of n. Dice means 6 to the power of n. First question. A die is rolled. Okay, what is the probability that getting an even number? Okay, an even number. Okay, first listen. A die is rolled. Die means how many chances? This is sample space, means total chances. Sample space, total outcome results. Dice now 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Facing on die numbers. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, 6 number. Okay, n of s equals to 6 chances. Okay, a single die is rolled. Okay, suppose take one die and rolled. Okay, at least these numbers, total 6 numbers there. Either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Anyone. Okay, and the total chances is 6. But here question is, and the denominator is 6. Okay, what is the probability that getting an even number? Okay, let E be the event of getting an even number. In this 6, now we select in this 6. Okay, even numbers. What are even numbers? That is 2, 4, 6. Even numbers. Now n of E equals to how many chances are there? 3 chances. Now probability of E equals to n of E by n of s, that equals to 3 out of 6. Okay, 3 out of 6 means cutting here. 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 1 by 2. Okay, 3 and total chances 6. Total chances, a single die is rolled means total chances 6. Okay, now n of s equals to 6. Okay, denominator is 6. Let E be the event of getting an even number. Even number means E equals to that even numbers 2, 4, 6. N of E equals to 3. 3 chances. Okay. Suppose same question and 3 out of 6. A die is rolled. What is the probability that getting an odd number? 6 as it is. What are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. And that means 3 out of 6. 6 is the common. Denominator common. Okay. Favorable outcomes is quotient. Depend on quotient. Okay. Suppose a die is rolled. What is the probability that getting greater than 1? Greater than 1 means more than 1. And that is 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 chances. 5 out of 6. Greater than 2 and 4 chances. 4 out of 6. Greater than 3 and 3 out of 6. Greater than 4. 2 out of 6. Greater than 5. Okay. 1 out of 6. Okay. Greater than 6. Here greater than 6 number there. Not there. Not there means 0 by 6. 0 by 6 means it's a 0. It is an impossible event. Okay. If greater than 6 number there, not there here. Okay. Only 6 and greater than 6 is not there. That is 0 by 6. 0 by 6 means 0. 0 means it is an impossible event. Okay. Suppose greater than 1. Okay. Greater than 0. Suppose. Greater than 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chances out of also 6. 6 by 6. 6 by 6 is 1. Okay. 1 means it is sure event. Okay. Numerator and denominator same. It is sure event or certain event. Okay. Sure event or certain event. The probability is 1. The probability is 0. It is an impossible event. Okay. This is a die is rolled. Okay, single die. Suppose 2 dice are rolled. One more question. 2 dice. Okay, 2 dice are rolled. What is the probability that get 2 same numbers? Or 2 faces are same. 2 faces are same. Here 6 power 2 formula 6 into 6 total 36 chances. What are the 36 chances? First 2 dice are rolled or thrown. 2 dice are rolled randomly. Okay, now sample space. What are the 36 chances? 36 chances is see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 dice are rolled. Chances 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. First one. Okay, 2 dice are rolled, for example, or thrown. Okay, 2 dice. First die is 1 number. Chances. Second die is also 1 number. Total chances. Okay, but first die is 1, second die is 2. First die is 1, second die is 3. First die is 1, second die is 4. First die is 1, second is 5. Okay, first die is 1, second die is 6. Okay, same order. First die 2 number. For example, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Suppose first die 2. Second die is 1. Okay, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. Okay, 2, 6. First die is 3. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, and 3, 6. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, and 4, 6. 5, 1. Okay, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Okay, now 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. This is 36 chances. Now n of s equals to 36. Otherwise formula 6 power n formula. 6 power n means n is 2 dice. 2 dice means 6 square. That is 36 chances. The 36 chances is like this. First coin, first dice is 1 as it is. Second 1. Okay, 1 is as it is. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 chances. Here 1. This number, okay, rotate 2 number. Again 1, 2, 3. This number is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 again. Okay, this number is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number is 4. 1, 2, 3. Like this. Total 6 comma 6. Total chances. How many chances? 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Suppose you thrown 2 dice. Okay, in this 36, any one chance compulsory will come. Okay, n of s equals to 36. Now, what is that question? Let e, okay, be the event of. Let e be the event of getting same. Two faces are same. Two faces are same. Okay, two faces are same means what are the faces? And the first dice, second dice on same faces. Okay, that is 1 1. 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5, 6 6. Two dice same faces. 1 1. And the first die one number, second die also one number. Next to 2 2, next 3 3, next 4 4, next 5 5, next 6 6. Okay, total how many chances? N of e equals to 6. Now probability equals to N of e by N of s, and that is 6 by 36. 6 out of 36. Okay, playing cards total 52. Black color 26. Okay, red color 26. Okay, red color 26. Okay, black colored symbols. Black, okay, this is club symbol. One more is leaf, that is spade symbol. Black, a red colored, okay, red color is diamond. A red colored diamond and hearts, diamonds, hearts. Clubs symbols, spade symbols. Okay, here first black colored. These are total black. Black, this is club symbols. Club symbols, spade symbols. Okay, these two red colors, diamond. Okay, this one is heart. Okay, heart symbols. Okay, total black color is 26, red color is 26, clubs 13, spades 13, diamonds 13, hearts 13. Okay, red color 26 means diamond 13, heart 13, total 26. Black color 26 means clubs 13, spades 13. Okay, and this is aces. Aces 4. Aces means A symbol. 1, 2, 3, 4. Aces is, how many aces are there? 4 aces. Okay, this is picture card. Pictured card or face card. Pictured card or face cards are 12. Okay, Jack, Queen, J means Jack, Q means Queen, King. Jack, Queen, King. Jack, Queen, King. Jack, Queen, King. Okay, total how many face cards are there? Okay, face cards 12. Okay, first spade, this is symbol is club. Okay, club cards, how many in playing cards? Total playing cards are 52. Okay, total playing cards are 52. Okay, now in this total 52. Okay, black color 26, red color 26. Okay, club symbol, spade symbol, diamond symbol and heart symbol. Okay, club symbols 13, spade symbols 13, diamond symbols 13. Okay, hearts 13. Next, picture cards. Total picture cards is 12. Okay, total picture cards 12. In this total 12. Okay, club picture cards is 3. Club symbol not picture cards 3. Okay, spade picture cards 3. Diamond picture cards 3. Okay, heart picture cards 3. Total aces. How many aces are there? 4 aces. Club ace is 1. Okay, spade is 1. Diamond is 1, heart is 1. Okay, total 2 numbers, 4, 3 numbers 4, 4 numbers 4, 5 numbers 4, 6 number 4, 7 number 4, 8 number 4, 9 number 4, 10 number 4. But 10 with the symbol given, suppose number and symbol given only 1. Okay, suppose spade 7. Okay, spade symbol 7. Okay, how many are there in bag? 1. Total out of 52. Suppose one question, see one question. Okay, one card is selected from well shuffled deck of cards. One card is selected, well shuffled deck of cards. What is the probability that getting a pictured card? Okay, getting a pictured card. Okay, first write, how to write first one? One card is selected. One card is selected at random. Okay, now sample space equals to n of s equals to, don't write these all numbers, total cardinal number symbol. Okay, n of s equals to how much? 52 cards. Okay, in a bag contains 52 cards. Okay, what is the probability? Question is, okay, getting a pictured card. How many picture cards are there? Only pictured card. How many picture cards are there? Total 12. 12 out of 52. Okay, 12 out of 52. Suppose getting a spade picture card. Spade picture card means 3. How many spade picture cards? 3 out of 52. 52 is the common. 3 out of 52. Okay. Next, suppose heart pictured card. Heart pictured cards, how many are there? 3. Okay. 3 out of 52. Okay. Suppose heart king. Okay. Heart king, how many are there? Heart king, only 1. 1 out of 52. Okay. Suppose heart queen, only 1 there. Okay. That is 1 out of 52. Okay. Next, suppose diamond pictured cards, 3 out of 52. Okay, getting the, what is the probability that getting an ace? Total aces is 4 out of 52 and 4 by 52. Hard ace is only one. Aces 4, hard ace 1. Okay, hard ace is 1. Okay, 1 out of 52, 1 by 52. Okay, what is the probability that getting a red colored card? Red colored, how many red colored cards? 26. Okay, 26 out of 52. Black colored card, how many? 26 out of 52. Spade cards, how many? Spades, how many? 13. 13 out of 52. Okay, club cards, 13 out of 52. Diamond cards, 13 out of 52. Okay, heart card, 13 out of 52. Okay, exercise 13.1. Complete the following statements. Okay, first one, probability of an event E plus probability of the event not E equals to dash. Okay, that means, okay, getting chance and successful chances plus failure chances equals to 1, and that means simply sum of the probabilities equals to 1. Getting chance equals to 1 by 3, for example 1 out of 3. Failure chances 2 out of 3. Okay, that is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 equals to 1. Now second question, the probability of an event that cannot happen is, okay, dash. Such an event is called dash. Okay, the probability of an event that cannot happen is, okay, 0. Such an event is called, it is an impossible event, not possible. Okay, it is impossible event. Third one, the probability of an event that is certain to happen is 1. Okay, such an event is called sure event or certain event. Okay, sure event means numerator and denominator same, 6 by 6, 2 by 2. Okay, and the number of total outcome results and favorable outcome results same. Now question number 4, the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is dash. Sum of the probabilities equals to always 1. The probability of an event is greater than or equals to dash and less than or equals to dash. Greater than or equals to 0 and less than or equals to 1. Okay, and the probability always lie in between 0 and 1, including 0 and including 1 also. Now second question, which of the following experiments have equally likely outcomes? Explain. Equally likely and successful failure chances same, it is equally likely outcomes. A driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. Suppose car is total chances 2 chances, start or does not start. Okay, here starts means 1 out of 2 and 1 by 2. Does not start means, okay, 1 out of 2. Okay, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Yes, it is equally likely events. Okay, car start or not. Okay, 2 chances. Okay, start or does not start. Okay, start means on 1 out of 2. Okay, does not start means 1 out of 2. Okay, that is equally likely. A player attempts, second question, a player attempts to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or misses the shot. Okay, suppose basketball, okay, shoot that basketball or does not shoot. Okay, total chances 2 chances, 1 out of 2 successful. Failure also 1 out of 2. Okay, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, equally likely events. Third one, yes. Second one is also yes. A trial is made to answer a true or false type question. The answer is right or wrong. Suppose true or false type question, you take true. Suppose you write true. Is it correct or not? How many chances? 1, total 2. 1 out of 2. 1 out of 2, okay, that is 1 by 2, successful. Suppose if is it wrong, okay, 1 out of 2, that is 1 by 2, okay. True is 1 by 2, probability of true is 1 by 2, probability of false is also 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, both equal, it is equally likely events. A baby is born, it is a boy or a girl. A baby is born, okay, the baby is boy, suppose, total 2 chances, either boy or girl, okay. And now boy means 1 out of 2, girl chances means 1 out of 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 chance, equally likely events. But here baby who is born, suppose one person is there, okay, in night time, okay, one person there, okay, that person is boy or girl, it is equally likely events. And nowadays, okay, gender, 3 genders are there, male, female, others, okay. Now this situation is not equally likely events, because suppose boy or girl or others there, suppose, okay, boy means 1 out of 3 chances, girl means 1 out of 3 chances, okay. And either boy means 1 out of 3 chances, okay. Not a boy means 2 chances, girl or others, okay, 2 out of 3. First one is 1 out of 3, and not a boy means girl or others, 2 out of 3 nowadays, okay. But here a baby is born, okay, a baby is born, it is a boy or a girl means 1 by 2, 1 by 2 chances, it is equally likely events. Okay. If P of E equals to 0.05, P of E dash equals to question mark. Okay, the sum of the probabilities equals to 1. Sum of the probabilities equals to 1, and that means P of E plus P of E dash equals to 1. P of E equals to given 0.05, P of E dash not given equals to 1, okay, plus 0.05 changes, P of E dash equals to 1 minus 0.05, P of E dash equals to 0.95. A bag contains lemon flavored candies only, that equals to 1. What is the probability that an orange flavored candy here, okay, in a bag only lemon flavored candies only, okay, but orange flavored candy, okay, in not there, in a bag not there, that is 0. 0 means impossible event. Impossible event. Now second one is lemon flavored candy. Lemon flavored candy, okay. How many are there? Lemon flavored candy, 1. 1 means 1 out of 1, that is 1 is sure event or certain event. Sure event or certain event. Rahim removes all the hearts in a pack. Okay, therefore sample space equals to, actually total cards in a pack is 52, but hearts removes the hearts given. Okay, number of hearts equals to 13. 52 minus 13, only 39. 39, what is that 39? Diamonds 13. Okay. Clubs 13, spades 13. Okay, here hearts, remove that hearts, 0, that is 39 only. Total 39. Okay, diamonds 13, clubs 13, spades 13, hearts 0. Okay, because removes all the hearts. Hearts, okay, total 0. What is that question? Getting an ace. What is ace? A. Symbol, A symbol. the A card from the remaining pack. Okay, in diamond A there. Okay, club A there, spade A there, but heart A not there. Total how many? 3. Okay, total aces equals to 3. Therefore probability equals to 3 out of 39. Now cutting. Next, getting diamonds. Okay, number of diamonds. Okay, number of diamonds equals to how many diamonds are there? 13. Okay, now probability equals to 13 by 39. Cutting. Okay, next, getting a card that is not a heart. Okay, number of cards total 39 there. Getting a card that is not a heart, okay, except a heart. Okay, 13, that is 39. Probability equals to 39 by 39. 1 means sure event. Okay, next, getting an ace of hearts. Hearts total not there. Ace of heart is 0. Okay, number of ace hearts equals to 0. Now probability equals to 0 by 39, that is 0. 0 means impossible event. Impossible because in a bag hearts not there. Okay, 13 hearts not there. In this number of ace hearts. Okay, hearts not there. Ace heart is also not there. 0. Now probability is 0 by 39, that is 0. 0 means impossible event. The probability of two students not having the same birthday is 0.992. Not having the same birthday is 0.992. Same. Find the probability of two students have the same birthday is, okay, 1 minus not having the same birthday. Not having the same birthday. Okay, that means 1 minus 0.992. Now subtract. 1 means 1.00. Okay, 0.992 subtraction. Subtraction means 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Okay. Zero 8. Okay, 1 minus 0.992, that is subtraction. 1 means 1.000. 0.992 subtraction is 0.008. Okay. A die is rolled once. Find the probability of getting number 1 a prime number, number 2 a number lying between 2 and 6, and an odd number. Okay, now a die is rolled once. Okay, that means sample space. Sample space S equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N of S equals to 6. Now first one, a prime number, side heading. A prime number. Let E1 be the event of getting a prime number. Getting a prime number. Okay. Now E1 equals to, in these 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers there, and that prime numbers. What are prime numbers? 2, 3, 5. n of E1 equals to 3. Now probability P of E1 equals to n of E by n of S, that equals to 3 by 6, that is 1 by 2. Okay, now second one, a number lying between 2 and 6, let E2 be the event of getting a number lying between 2 and 6. Okay, that means E2 equals to 2 and 6 in between numbers 2 and 6. What are the numbers? 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. N of E2 equals to 3. Probability is P of E2 equals to N of E2 by N of S, that equals to 3 by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Second one probability is 1 by 2. And third one, an odd number. Let E3 be the event of getting an odd number. Okay, now E3 equals to, what are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5. N of E3 equals to 3. P of E3 equals to N of E3 by N of S, that equals to 3 by 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are 1 by 2. Probability is 1 by 2. Okay. What is the probability of selecting a red king from a deck of cards? Okay, one card is selected. One card is selected at random. Okay, now sample space. Here sample space N of S equals to, total how many cards are there? 52 cards. N of S equals to 52. Let E be the event of getting a red king. Okay, red king. Total number of red kings. Number of red kings equals to, how many are there? 2. Red king. Okay, one is diamond, one is heart. Therefore, okay, N of E equals to 2. Therefore, P of E equals to N of E by N of S, that equals to 2 by 52. 2 ones are 2, 26 are 1 by 26.